hustlers do. This is a hustler's song. This hustler's gone.
Hey, what's good, y'all, man? It's a boy, the Million, aka the Million, the Don, aka Dem Don, Dada. Back in the cut. All right, bro. So last episode we left off with the wife, or the mom, whatever, who passed away, and then she became the daughter to her daughter, and then the daughter was feeling away because she was raising her mother. That whole conundrum, you know what I'm saying? That was kind of weird, but yeah, that's what happened last episode, and they kind of found a way to kind of accept each other and whatnot, and then, you know, Ginkgo played his role as usual and moves on. So here we are, episode 23, man. We'll see what we get into now, but yeah, let's go.
I could have sworn I heard something. Was it just my imagination? There it is again. It's coming from over there. Is that
The
a woman? Rust.
Rust.
What's going on here? It stopped.
Sound like a horror movie. Why do all these women look the same, bro? The sound of rust. Alright. Oh damn, they got rust on their body? How? What kind of disease is that?
I'd say it was about 14 years ago. Since then, those afflicted complain about their skin. Her name is Shige. Ever since she was born, everyone around her has come down with the illness one after another.
Oh, but she doesn't have it.
For the past 14 years, we've desperately tried to find the cause of all this, but we're no closer now than we were then. Years ago, the girl stopped talking. Since then, everyone has grown suspicious of her.
Here, that's for this month. My, that's a pretty big hole, isn't it? Sorry, that's the only bag I have.
Wow.
Here you go. Use this. It's not like you wanted your family and friends to get sick.
Nice.
You another one of those doctors called in by the master? I don't know anything. She won't talk to me either.
Shige.
Ooh, they going through it.
Thank
Sheesh.
you for helping.
Nah, that sucks, man. What? Rust all over your body like that?
Shige, right? You can see this rust, can't you? This illness can be cured, but I'll need your help. Please, tell me about it. That's all I ask.
Wait, so he said you can see this rust. Does that mean nobody else can see the rust? I thought they could see it, but if that's not the case, then they're just feeling like this rust kind of, I guess, movements and like physical effect. Okay.
That should be enough.
This man doing hot box.
See? Nothing happened.
Wait, the rust? You mean you can see it?
Yes, I can. That sound, and raspy.
I know, right?
Unfitting for such a tiny body.
I kept screaming and screaming until my voice ended up the way it is now.
She got a mushi in her throat. Pause.
Whenever I use my voice, it causes the rust to appear.
Mysterious and strange, yet marvelous at the same time.
Alright, Ginkgo, relax.
Whenever I spoke, rust would form on the people and things around me. That's all I'd ever known, so I thought it was just the way things were.
Right,
But
that's
it was
crazy.
the same for everyone.
Hey,
Wow.
Shige, why don't you sing for me?
People always asked me to sing, so
Why
I
don't
would.
you sing?
I was 4 when I realized that it was something bad.
Sheesh.
Everyone around me started having trouble moving their bodies.
Promise me, you'll never tell anyone else about this. If you do, we won't be able to stay here.
Sheesh, that is crazy for her.
Since that day, I haven't spoken a word to anyone.
Wow.
That was 10 years ago.
10 years ago? Haven't said a word?
This isn't rust. It's a mushi called the Yasabi, and it's alive.
A Mushi?
Some can see them.
Yep.
The solution is to scatter them.
Is that possible?
Yes. Hey. It's cold out here. Why are you sitting in the snow?
No reason.
Okay.
I've only lived in this town for 2 years,
Okay.
so I guess I've never really believed that Shige is the cause of the illness.
Yeah, he hit on her.
See ya.
You can see the ocean from here. Could it be?
What?
If everyone's illness can be cured, and I can finally speak again, I can thank him for everything with my own voice.
Okay.
Oh yeah, my handkerchief. Thank you. Hey,
You found what's causing this? Is it Shige?
No. That was nothing more than a rumor.
wait. No. This way?
Here, I'll
what
read
the
it for
heck?
you.
No! Give that back!
Wow.
If I talk, you will get sick just like the others. You've always been sympathetic towards her.
Oh my god.
Has to be Shige. I'm going to show this to the master.
No! You can't!
Then do what? Oh, dang. All right. But we burned it.
Hurry! Get that out of the fire.
Right.
Get out of the fire. Man, that's done.
They'll all be coming for you soon. There's no way of knowing what they might do to you.
Ginkgo hasn't shown me how to chase away the Mushi. I won't go.
Shige! You've got to get out of here. Wait for me.
Ginkgo, why? Why are you protecting Shige?
Bring her to us.
She has to pay for what she's done.
Getting rid of Shige is not
Hey.
going to cure the... All she did was talk, laugh, and sing. Just like any other child would do.
Like y'all told her to do.
We don't give a damn about what the reason is. She's the one who caused this.
If she had broken her silence and made up some sort of excuse, I'm sure she would have been able to deceive you. Instead, she carried the weight of her sin.
Right, talk to him.
That doesn't mean we should forgive her.
Everyone who's been afflicted with this illness has shared the same pain.
They over here talking like she wanted to do this. Like, it was from birth, man. Like, what are you talking about?
Do you know where you'll go? Well, would you like to come with me and live in my village?
Nice. Okay, okay. Oh, shoot.
Shige!
Dang, she gay? Did he catch her or not?
They're not here. Did something happen?
Okay, she's still alive. Oh! What the
I
heck?
need to call for help.
That unmistakable voice echoed through the mountains.
Oh, is she drawing it towards her? Or what?
Hey! Shige! Are you two alright?
What have I done? Now you're sick too.
Dang.
No, he's just unconscious. Don't worry. I promise he won't get the illness.
How?
You did something that was very similar to what I had in mind from the beginning.
Clutch.
Rust at the edge of town, closest to where the ocean breeze blows in, wasn't the Yasabi. It was plain rust. The reason
Wow.
Tetsu never got sick was because he was from a fishing village. Even after he came here, he continued to be exposed to the sea breeze while going back and forth to his old village. I have to repeat this again and again for decades in order to get rid of all of it.
Decades?
You might even wear your voice out before it's done.
Man, that's crazy. It only took her like 1 decade, right? She said she hasn't said a word in 10 years, right? So it didn't take decades to cause all this, but now it's gonna take decades to reverse it. Like, of course. She don't mind.
Everything considered, I don't think I'd mind that.
Yeah.
I'll do anything I can to bring it back to the way it was.
Shige! You headed up to the ridge? I'll join you.
The people of that town say they can still hear a voice calling out somewhere in the distance.
Oh, all right. Yeah, that was a very calm episode. Very light too, compared to what we've been seeing recently and what we've kind of seen throughout the show. not the craziest. You know, it was obviously the rust affecting the whole village. That's horrible, that's insane, but it's not the craziest thing we've seen, and it's definitely not the most deadly Mushi we've seen at all. So that was a pretty easy fix, you know, and yeah, shout out Ginkgo, provided the information as always, and got the job done. But yeah, that was it, man. Nothing crazy on the episode. It was cool. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? We move on to the next, bro. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Catch y'all in the next. As always, stay healthy, stay powerful, stay blessed.